Radon level testing is one of those things that we do in home inspection when buyer buys home. Now, the radon has been known to be a directly linked to lung cancer. So if you're exposed to a certain level at a certain length of time, your chance of getting lung cancer is really, really high. And so I found this the January Oregon, the Radon Awareness Month, and here's a chart that shows by the zip code in the Portland metro area which area has a low, high, and moderate radon level. And I'm going to just show you one example of like a Banks. It's just west of me, and it says high. So 49.8% is the high, no, 49.8 picocuries per liter is the highest that's been recorded. 6.9 is the average. Sorry, 6.9 is the average, and then 58.9% of the homes. That's like more than one out of every other homes have high levels of radon that's been recorded. So if you're in that zip code, if you're in Banks and you haven't done the radon test, make sure to get the testing kit. I'm going to put the link below so you can get a somebody lower testing kit, or sometimes it's from like universities. I think I saw it's more like subsidized maybe, or at a reduced cost, so that you can have at least a good understanding of the radon level at your home and whether you need a mitigation systems or not. Mitigation systems in 2023, it's around $2,000, maybe $3,000, depending on the configuration. But since it's one of those like a smoking cigarette, it's very like that. It's very directly linked, and there's plenty of data out there that links directly to lung cancer. So make sure to check this out. And there are some of the zip codes that are really concerning. I mean, it's Corbett, like here, right there. It's like every other homes too. No, 1 out of 3 homes need some kind of mitigation system. So make sure to check that out, because having a very good indoor quality is directly linked to your health. And thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. I'll make sure to put the link below.